Have you ever dreamed of building your own home? Well, here at Oakland Ridge Estates in Pelham, New Hampshire, we can make that dream possible for you. I'm Steph Saunders with Key Team at Compass, and you found Footings to Finished, Season 2. Let's check in on Lot 10 and Lot 5 and see the progress. Jumping over here to Lot 5, we've got the farmer's porch on, and we have all the electrical and plumbing rough done in the house. Let's check it out. Walking into the main part of the house, as you can see, there's wires everywhere, there's plumbing everywhere, there's electrical going in. This house is really moving along, and the floor plan is stunning. We've completed the mudroom that's gonna head right on into the house. Heading upstairs, you'll remember from this Riley floor plan that the whole back of the house is the primary suite, and then we can move into the bathroom here. As you can see today, we've framed in where the shower is gonna go, and all the wires are in, all the electrical rough, all the plumbing rough, and the roof started. Moving back to this part of the house, this is my other favorite bedroom other than the primary suite. It's basically a second primary suite because it does have its own ensuite bathroom, walk-in closet, and as you can see, it's a very generous sized room. Let's head up to the third floor. This is not gonna come finished on this model. Of course, if you'd like us to finish it, by all means. This is the Riley floor plan. It's priced at $1,050,000, and this is a huge bonus space up here on the third floor for future expansion, or hey, we're happy to finish it for you before you move in. Hey, if you're loving this content, then why not like, subscribe, hit that bell so you always know when I post new episodes every Wednesday at 5 p.m. I'm Steph Saunders with Key Team at Compass, and I'll see you next week for another episode of Footings to Finished.